Using margin on Etrade can be a powerful tool to amplify your investment returns. But it requires a solid understanding of the concept and its application. Margin is essentially borrowing money from Etrade to purchase securities, with the securities in your account serving as collateral. To start using margin on Etrade, you need to apply for a margin account, which involves filling out an application and meeting certain financial requirements. Once your application is approved, you can begin using margin to buy securities. The first step is to understand your margin buying power, which is the amount of money you can borrow from Etrade to purchase securities. You can find this information on the Etrade website or mobile app by logging into your account and navigating to the account summary page. When you buy a security on margin, you are essentially borrowing a portion of the purchase price from Etrade, and the securities in your account serve as collateral for the loan. It is essential to understand that margin interest is charged on the borrowed amount, and it can add up quickly. To use margin on Etrade, follow these steps. Log into your Etrade account and navigate to the trading page. Select the security you want to buy and enter the quantity you want to purchase. Then, choose the margin option and specify the amount you want to borrow. Review your order carefully, including the margin interest rate and the total cost of the trade. It is crucial to understand the risks associated with using margin, including the potential for significant losses if the securities in your account decline in value. If the value of the securities in your account falls below a certain level, Etrade may issue a margin call, which requires you to deposit more funds or sell some of your securities to bring your account back into compliance. To avoid margin calls and minimize your risk, it is essential to maintain a sufficient amount of equity in your account and to monitor your account balance regularly. You should also have a solid understanding of the securities you are buying and the potential risks associated with them. In conclusion, using margin on Etrade can be a powerful tool to amplify your investment returns, but it requires a solid understanding of the concept and its application. By following the steps outlined in this guide and maintaining a disciplined approach to investing, you can use margin effectively and minimize your risk. Remember to always prioritize caution and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.